Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm actually reviewing, a bronzer by NARS. This is in the color Laguna 3157. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I was getting ready this morning and I tried this on. This is the footage of this morning, me putting it on. And let me just tell you, I was blown out of the water with this. So let's go ahead and just jump straight to that video and see whether you like it or not. Okay guys, that's what the color looks like. Let's go ahead and add it to the cheek. This is a clean bronzer brush and let's see what it looks like. Ooh, extremely pigmented, so don't dip it as much as I just dipped it. Wow, that color is pretty though. Wow, look at that. I love when they make a bronzer that is very pigmented because you know it will last you longer. So I gotta kind of diffuse that a little bit on my finger. You guys can see the color. Oh, okay. So I actually thought it was completely matte. And if you see, okay, so you guys see it here? It has the most perfectly milled, if I can get it on camera, milled little tiny microscopic glitter in there. So it like gives you this like dewy look. Even though the color doesn't look so glittery and so dewy. It's like the perfect mix of pigment with glitter. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I actually like it on this side a little bit better. How you see it was like a lot less. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have to fix that later with some powder because it's a little bit too much. So when you dip into this, just dip once, knock off the excess, go ahead and do it in the temples. Now when I do it in the temples, I do it here and then I push it back into the hairline. Dip once again and go down and chisel out your neck. So it highlights your esophagus and it makes it slim right there. So what do you guys think? Isn't that like a beautiful color? I actually love this. Now, how will it look if I contoured my nose with it? I think it might be a little bit too pigmented, but we're gonna go ahead and try. Yeah, you can see it's already gonna be too pigmented, just that one pat on. Look how much color is in it. But I made a mistake on one side, so you have to make the mistake on the other side. I don't want to stroke this because it is very pigmented. So I'm just gonna pat. This kind of shows you guys how I do my contour. Even though it looks like I'm going in a straight line, I'm actually going into a V shape because I have a round ball right here, so I take it inward. But on camera, it looks like I'm just doing a straight line. If I was doing just a straight line, I would actually be coming down here to the ball, but I'm going inward like that. And I'm gonna wipe off any excess on my brush and I'm gonna soften that line a little bit. This is such a beautiful bronzer. I love it. Do you love it? Let me know in the comments down below. If I can find a link to it, I got this from, obviously this is the tiny sample sizes that I purchased from Sephora in their Sephora box every month. But the real size is actually much larger than this. But come on, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And my nose contour looks great. So you can use it as a nose contour, just be very mindful that it is very pigmented, but this is a fantastic bronzer. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, the tiny subscribe button, and the little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.